Well, hello and welcome back. Okay, I'm going to discuss this type of scam now, just in case you run up against it after we install your crypto wallet, before you've had a chance to watch the full lesson on crypto scams later in this course. The wallet sync scam is an attempt by scammers to get you to revolve your wallet secret restore key or to connect to a website which will drain your wallet of crypto coins. So, how does this scam manifest itself? If you ever post a question about cryptocurrency on social media, most people will reply to you in publicly viewable replies. And you can treat those responses with caution, as you should any online information about crypto, but more often than not, you will receive honest, well-meaning advice. What will probably also happen sooner or later is that a scammer will send you a private message, a message that only you can see. The scammer may pretend to be a customer support agent from a relevant company or just a helpful stranger offering good advice. The direct message will advise you to sync your wallet with their servers or refresh your wallet from their servers or connect your wallet to some kind of website or some other sort of technobabble. Your new social media friend will then direct you to a website which will ask you to enter your wallet's secret recovery key into a web form on their site. If they do not do that specifically, then they may direct you to a website and ask you to connect your wallet to that site, or they may give you an application to download to your computer or phone. Should you follow the scammer's instructions, then they will steal your cryptos by transferring them to a wallet that they control. Unfortunately, I routinely read posts online where people have fallen for this scam. Now, this scam is at its most dangerous when you are actually expecting to hear from a certain company, as you've sent them a message asking for help. So, when the private message pops up from that company discussing your problem, you're not automatically as suspicious of that private message as you should be, because you have been expecting to hear from someone. As it happens, the legitimate technical support people that you can speak to online do not send you private messages for this very reason. They will always contact you via a publicly viewable message, and then you can take that discussion to email if necessary. So please, no matter what the circumstances, never share your recovery keys or private key with anyone, even if this person seems to be a support person helping you with a technical issue. And don't worry about offending someone by treating them with suspicion. If they are a legitimate support person, they will totally understand and appreciate your caution. When we get to the section on cryptocurrency scams, I'm going to perform a real-time phishing exercise to see how many scammers I can attract with just one social media post, so that you can see the scam in action. It'll be like shooting fish in a barrel, believe me. Okay, as I've said before though, you don't have to live in fear of these scammers. It's just a case of getting to know their methods and learning to spot these people when they cross your path. Okay, well, that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for your time. And when you're ready, please meet me in the next lesson where we're going to send our first cryptocurrency transaction. Till then, thank you very much for your time.